Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix DJ AI mode not working on Spotify. So in the case that you are experiencing some issues with your DJ AI mode, not necessarily working on the Spotify application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and basically launch the Spotify application and to easily locate where the DJ AI mode is it should be located over on your music tab right here. Here, you may be locating your DJ AI mode over on your AHL tab, which is why it's not working on you. All we need to do to locate where this is properly is to tap on the music tab and then scroll down. As you see here, we have our DJ mix or our DJ AI feature on the Spotify application. Now, in the case that this is not necessarily working or this is not showing on your device, what we could actually do to fix this issue is to go ahead and double check. First, if we have the latest version of Spotify, I want you guys to launch the App Store and search for the Spotify application and basically go ahead and see if you have the latest version of Spotify installed on your device. You do have an update available. I would like you to proceed with updating your applications to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you were gonna have the best user experience possible. Now, in the cases you do not have that be available and you are using already the latest version of Spotify, we could also do to solve this issue is a double check our internet connection with our Wi-Fi's and see which one between the two is gonna work better for us. Now basically, playing around with these network options will give us the best option to choose between these two and will ultimately solve our problem as well. Now, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.